How to recover deleted photos, videos, or posts in your Facebook account. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now go to settings. Now scroll down a bit. Now under your information section, tap on download your information. Now tap on continue. Now select download or transfer information. Now select your Facebook ID and tap on next. Now select specific types of information. Now scroll down a bit and tap on see more. Now select posts, stories, reels, and tap on next. Again tap on next. Now select the date range and tap on save. Now tap on create files. Now wait for some time and you will receive a mail from Facebook to download your information. So by following this simple step you can recover photos, videos or posts on your Facebook. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.